Hello guys, I hope that all of you are doing great. This video we will be discussing how can you make life-changing money with this Metaverse gaming coin. And the reason I'm saying that is it is not something new. This has been done by other people in the crypto space in the past. And first of all, we will discuss one person who made from $35,000 just simply buying the crypto, converted his $35,000 into $35 million over a span of 2.5 years. And then I'm going to show you what exact strategy that he used to convert $35,000 into $35 million. And I was amazed to see that, and it pretty much made sense. And that is how we are going to see the Metaverse gaming projects, because also I have been seeing many of the demands from the people, how can we make money from the metaverse apart from the different opportunities that are going to come in the future. This playing or getting the gaming coins early from the metaverse could be one of the great opportunities. So this video we are specifically going to discuss that and why there is a big growth potential for the gaming coin. And then lastly, I'm going to show you how exactly do you buy these gaming coins, because some of the people, they do not exactly know, because it is not available on the normal websites, normal cryptocurrency websites. You need to take it from the MetaMask wallet or from the quick swap, Uniswap. I'm going to show you the exact steps. So make sure guys you watch the complete video. I'm sure it is going to help you a lot in figuring out from the real world example of the person who actually turned $35,000 to $35 million. You do not want to miss out on this. So the person who actually made this $35,000 to $35 million, what is the exact strategy that he used? Or in fact, he did not even knew himself at one point that he's going to do something like that. So let me just open this notepad to show you the coins that he actually bought and at what time did he buy it. His strategy was obviously in fact he lost big sum of money in the 2017 crash from the Bitcoin. So what he did, he had this $35,000 and he wanted to put money into that. So what he bought, he spent $5,000 to buy Ethereum when it was $9, right? And then he again spent $5,000 to buy Chainlink when it was in earlier stage. And then he bought this Binance coin for $5,000, BNB that is, when it was at the launch, that was 35 cents, right? $0.35. And similarly the 6 more tokens. Now what are the exact value it turned out to be? After 2.5 years, the value of Ethereum right now, we already know it is 4,700 approximately. You try to do the math, it comes out to be more than $2-3 million this converted to. The maximum conversion from $5,000 of BNB 35 cents, right now it is more than $620 or $630. It has converted into $13 million. And overall, the whole portfolio is from $35,000 to $35 or $38 million in fact. Now the reason he was able to make something was this part of his strategy? Definitely not. At that point when he bought 2.5 years back, there was no liquidity, guys. There was no liquidity, means they were not able to sell it immediately, so they had to just hold it. They had no other option but to hold it, and this holding upon actually resulted into something as insane and as big as that, right? Otherwise, just imagine if we guys have this comfort of selling the coins, bought Ethereum at $9, if it would have 10x from that point, $90, or probably 100x, 900, $500,000, definitely probably $5,000 converted to $50,000 at this point, it will be something an insane kind of deal. We would want to get out. And was it that the Ethereum price kept on going up? Definitely not. It went to the point of $1,100. Let me tell you guys, $1,100, and then it came back to $90. Just imagine something going up to this high, $1,100. You're seeing like more than $1 million, and then it is coming back to $90 again. $1 million converted in $50,000. Imagine if you had the option of buying and selling. I mean, how many times would you have done that? Definitely you could never have reached $35,000 to $35 million. So this one strategy, if we apply, buy the coins that we think could actually change the world, could actually bring big results out there, or which has a huge potential in the future, and then do not worry about price fluctuation, just forget about it. Now here's the point. See what is going to happen eventually. This bull market, when the Bitcoin reaches really high, and that's when the big crash is going to come. In fact, the altcoins that we are going to buy, some of them will lose the value up to 90%. So this strategy, like if you have a big sum of money dedicated within this cryptocurrency space, you have allocated to a lot of projects, and you're expecting like 2-3x return, like 200%, 500% return, and then utilize that money for the big money. Definitely before the crash you take it out and then wait for the thing. But then there is a certain percentage of portfolio that you need to allocate. Probably if you're comfortable with $1,000, probably yes, this is what I've started doing, guys. So I'll tell you why. This is the reason, like I'm investing now a little bit of portion of money. Like I've started with only $500. I've kept like $100 in 5 gaming coins, low cap gaming coins, and then I'm going to forget about it, because I'm just taking a risk. Like even if it goes to $1, $2, $3, I mean, it does not matter. I'm not going to sell it at all. I'm going to forget about it for several years. Just imagine like 3 years down the line, what could be the growth potential? I mean, $500 turning into $5,000, maybe a big deal, but it is not a life-changing wealth. But the kind of thing that we are seeing over here, just imagine like this $500 converted into probably this one $13 million. That means $5,000 converted $13 million. Probably $500 could be converted into $1.3 million if I would have invested in BNB and just held upon. See, at one point, what happened? Like he also bought one of the coin Phantom, and it reached really high. Like right now, several $million. It reached really high value, and then after a certain point, when the crash came, it lost its more than 95% of the value. Just imagine watching your portfolio sunk down. But it was something like they could not sell it. That is the reason they just hodled. So what I'm trying to say is that for your bigger portfolio, hodl might not be the best strategy. Try to be vigilant, try to be aware when the Bitcoin crash is coming, or is it about to just protect your capital. Sell your savings or sell your profits, and then wait for the right time when the bear market comes, then reinvest so that you can do that. But then nobody, let me tell you, nobody in this space exactly knows when the crash is going to, when is the exact top and when is the exact bear market. It's all speculation. When Bitcoin reached like $30,000, a lot of people were like, okay, it is going to come back to $10,000, but then it never went further below. Even at $40,000, some of the people were like, okay, now the bear market starts. And right now we are sitting at $65,000. So even at the top, like when it was in May, $64,000, nobody expected it is going to suddenly collapse to $35,000, like have a 50% correction. Yes, there are speculations, and based on the speculations people act, but nobody can be 100% sure. This is the reason that this hodl strategy for several years, and do not just buy the shit coins, buy something that you believe in, that okay, this is actually going to make a big impact on other people's life. Now let me tell you, now you must be expecting like that. I mean, if you just go and Google search top metaverse coins, like the Metaverse Gaming Coins or Metaverse Coins by my market capitalization. So this is it. It'll show me this Axie Infinity, Decentraland, like all these have increased a lot in value suddenly. Like Decentraland has increased 3x, 4x suddenly, like Sandbox 5x, 4x after Metaverse announcement. Let me tell you, like I have bought this render token. Yesterday I bought it for $2.20. It's already 50% up today. The point I'm trying to make here, one of the best quote from Warren Buffett that I saw, like he was asked this question: what is your advice for somebody who wants to become a millionaire by investing? So what Warren Buffett said is that you will need to learn to identify which investments are the best. The world is not going to tell you. You will need to learn that. You will need to identify. You will need to and then based on your thesis, do that. Nobody knows the exact thing, like, okay, this is going 100x, 10x. Everyone is on the speculation. So you need to skillfully develop that mechanism within you. The world is, I mean, if I tell you, okay, buy this token, buy that token, I mean, is it like 2 years down the line, are you going to expect again for somebody to tell? But if you develop it on your own sense, like what this project is doing, this project could be big, it is partnershiping with IBM, in the future this is going to solve this problem, that's when your intuition is going to grow with time. A year down the line, 2 year down the line, let's say you have converted your $500 into $10,000. Now you have $10,000 to invest with a really strong skill. Now you put your $10,000 into something with a, again, same stronger speculation. You convert that $10,000 into $1 million. Now you put $1 million, again 2 years down the line further, you convert it into $20 million. Just imagine $500 within 6 years span of time, you've converted into $20 million. The point I'm trying to make here is you need to figure the things out yourself and then learn from the mistakes. That is when you will see the big change happening. That is when you will see, okay, this is really turning great. Like now you know that this project is good, this project is bad, because you have done it in the past. So you will need to start that out. Just open the top Metaverse coins and then try to see what all coins that you can invest in. And I would suggest you an extra strategy. Utilize the money that you are comfortable losing. How much that money would be? Probably $200. You're comfortable losing $200. I mean, I'm just putting it on the safe side. For some people, even $1,000. And then do not watch for it like for a year, 2 years, whether the bear market comes, whether 90% crash happens, whether 1,000% gain happens. The gain and the crash is not what you're looking for. You are looking for waiting period. Every year come and check what is your that amount has grown to. Or probably what you can do, every month, let's say you allocate $50 into it, right? So by the end of 12 months, like 1 year, you have put $600. Choose the coins. Now for me, like, let me tell you what all are the coins that I've chosen. I have just risked on one of the coin. Why? I mean, this one, Polka City, I've bought it has got $13 million market cap. How much money did I put? $90. That's it. And then this Decentral Games ICE, and this one is just a gambling sort of a thing. I would say it's $9 million market. I mean, do not see the price. The market capitalization is the thing. Now let's say I have put $90 in this. This grows to $9 billion market capitalization. What does that mean? That means it has grown to 1000x. My $90 will become $90,000. This is the reason, guys. When I'm betting this smaller amount, I'm comfortable even losing it. Like $90, if I lose it, it wouldn't matter for me. Like it has converted into probably $10. It doesn't matter for me. But I'm seeing on the upside. What I'm seeing is that not right now, probably in the next 7, 8, 9 months, the metaverse is really going to become a reality. Why? Because the Facebook is officially converted their company into it, transformed the company into metaverse. If nobody else is going to do, Facebook is anyways going to do. And because Facebook is doing, everyone, a lot of big companies are going to come and jump and build their own metaverses, build the projects around the metaverses. It will be all metaverses, and the gaming is taking everything by storm. People are really interested into the gaming industry. This is the reason that these gaming coins, I believe, that are actually going to make a big difference. Another coin that which I bought is Alien. I mean, it is Alien Worlds. And then I have bought this Render token, that is also one of the metaverse. I mean, Render token, because it is, I have researched, it has a good users and stuff. Right now it is at 566 market capitalization. What is the best case that can have? Like, let's say it reaches to $56 billion. That means my investment has 100x. So you need to see the upside, downside, and then invest into it, and then forget about it. It does not matter. And this is my wallet. If I show you, Probably, I want to reveal it to you guys. I ideally, like, we're not supposed to show our wallets and stuff. This is the BNB staking, this one Polka City, and then this RPG, this one Revolution RPG token also I have bought. And then another one I have bought is on the Matic network. I have bought this Render, and then this one Decentralized Games ICE, as I told you. So you will need to research and then think for the upside. Bring with some of the money, like invest in 5 coins, and then just forget about it. Probably $200 you're comfortable losing, or even let's say $100. I want you to experience this thing, this experience, like you have left it 2 years down the line. Come and watch. Apart from everything else that you're already doing, like I have recommended in one of my videos, Matic token. Eventually it is going to grow. A lot of other tokens like Avalanche and every other token people are buying and then waiting. If the crash is about to come, they are selling. Some of the people are leverage trading. One of my videos also cover the leverage trading, where like you 10x your money, your 100x, like take the leverage, and then when the price increases, it increases at the pace of 10x or 100x, whatever the leverage that you have chosen. Now, having said all that, the point here is you do all that, but do not miss out on this part. If this is what can happen to big things, and at this point we are not even investing into the launches. Probably in the future I'm also going to cover when the tokens are about to launch, the cheap price, how do we stake and purchase it. So this is what you need to do, guys. Check out, and do not, probably, yes, you can invest on the bigger projects as well, but let's say if I'm putting my $100 into Axie Infinity, it is already at $10 billion market cap. It is going to be like a life-changing news, the world-changing news if it goes to $1 trillion, right? 100 times if it increases, that will be $1 trillion. $1 trillion of Axie Infinity, that is, it is reaching up to Bitcoin. That will make my $100 convert $100 into $10,000. So this is the reason I would not be comfortable, even though this is a very good project, I would rather be comfortable putting in something which is in low market cap. Probably even this one, like Render, is far more, at least 20 times less in market capitalization than this one. So obviously you need to choose the low market cap projects, and I would suggest Metaverse Gaming projects, and then just forget about it. Now comes the last part. How do you buy this? Because you would not be finding, let's say you want to buy this, which one? Probably you want to buy this Render token, but you would not be able to get it on any of the Binance website, any of the other like BitBNS or any of the exchanges. You would not be able to get it. So how do you get it? This is what I'm going to show you, these gaming coins. Now if I just open it, the gaming coins, I'm going to show you. You just need to do few of the steps. All right, you need to go to this one, coinmarketcap.com, right? cap.com, and then from there you can search for the Metaverse tokens as well, and there you will find the exact place where you can buy the respective thing. I'll search RNDR. Make sure you watch these steps so that in the future, once you have to buy, you do not worry about it. Now, which are the two ecosystems it is being sold on? Ethereum, and number 2, Polygon or Matic ecosystem. Now for the Ethereum, I would not recommend right now, because see, we are spending $100 like low cap thing, and Ethereum's gas fees is really high. So you will need to go to Uniswap and then copy this address, and this address will be this token's address, and you can buy it. But the problem here is the Ethereum's gas fees will be like, for $100 of buying, you'll have to spend probably another $250, which is really high. So this one solved this problem. The Polygon, it is on Polygon as well. So where do you buy on the Polygon? You just copy this address and you can just simply go to QuickSwap and buy it. But going to QuickSwap and buying it, okay, I'm just going to go to quickswap.exchange. That is the simple website where you buy it. Now I already have a wallet connected to it. I'm going to show you how exactly are you going to connect the wallet. I click on select the token, I paste the address which I just copied. So as you can see, this is the render token. I already have like 43 render token with me. So like with the moment I just copied this address and pasted it in over here, and this is it, and I can buy it from the Matic. Now where this Matic has come from, like right now the value is, because the Matic fees is like several cents, 2 cents, 3 cents, which is like really super amazing to buy. This comes from the MetaMask wallet. I'm going to show you the first step that you need to first of all do is create a Binance account. If you do not have the Binance account, first create the Binance account. Now there is a referral link down below in the video description. Make sure you click that link. That's my referral link for your Binance account, and you will be getting a lot of bonuses. Like you can do complete crypto thing on the Binance itself. It's safe and secure. I personally do it, and apart from that you will need Binance as well for this transaction. I'm going to show you how are you going to do that. Now just click on the link down below, buy it, and you will be seeing a lot of bonuses appearing in your wallet, which you can literally use to trade or probably buy the cryptocurrencies. Like a lot of bonuses that you'll see. It keeps on increasing, and different bonuses come with time. So make sure you click the link and make your account. Now all you have to do is just buy, like insert some of the money, the $200 that you want to spend. Then what is the next thing you want to do? You just simply go to market and buy Matic. Why? Because Matic is what we are going to stake. Matic is what we are going to use to purchase those tokens. So as you can see, this one is Matic, and the USDT I click on the Matic, and there you just purchase the Matic from Binance account. This is the price. So how much, I mean right now it is showing, because I've purchased all the thing, let's say $200 you have put, it will be showing $200 over here, and then you put $200 because this is what number of Matic that you want. What price do you want? Like as you can see, current price 1.35. so any of the price you choose, like this one 1.36 or probably 1.35, and then you just click on buy Matic. It is going to buy the Matic for you, right? Once you have bought it, then it's very simple job. All you have to do is just transfer the Matic, right? Now how do you going to transfer the Matic? You will just simply have to go to this fiat or like your wallet overview, or I mean it's very simple procedure. You can even Google search it and you are going to get it. So as you can see, now if I click, I mean right now I'm not holding any Matic token, but I click on withdraw. Withdraw means I want to transfer it. Now which address do I want to put it? There comes the MetaMask. What you'll have to do is just install the MetaMask. You just type into the Google MetaMask wallet, right? Mask.io website, and then there is a Google Chrome extension that you download it. Now I already have this Google Chrome extension. I mean it will show you to download it. I mean attach the Google Chrome extension. This is already added in my account, as you can see if I open it, and that's when within this I have attached the three networks. The first network, the Binance Smart Chain, because some of the tokens are on Binance Smart Chain, some of the tokens are on Ethereum mainnet, some of them are on Matic mainnet. So these three of the network that you will need. How do you set up that? It's very easy. Just Google search, because see I'm not going to waste. It's very easy step. It is better not to waste time on that. So all you have to do is just add an account with that. As you can see, this one, if I click on create account, or I mean you just see the steps. You Google search how to add the Matic account. You'll just have to enter some of the details for the Matic, and then next one, the Binance Smart Chain, also you can ensure to add it in the future, Ethereum also, but right now only account that you will be needing is Matic. Now which address do you need to send it to? I just copy this particular address to clipboard, and then this is the address we need to send our Matic to. Now, as you can see, if I click over here, I click on the address, right? Now which network it will be sent to? Right now it is showing, because I mean obviously I do not even have the Matic. So Matic network, you are going to all right, I'm going to set a reminder. Anyways, so I just click on the withdraw once I do it, and then within 2-3 minutes you will be seeing your Matic deposited over here. And then once you go to your quick swap, my wallet is already connected, otherwise it will show you connect wallet. You just click on connect wallet, it will automatically connect to MetaMask wallet, and that is when you select amount of token. Let's say you have deposited probably 100 Matic. I mean, you just enter 100 Matic, this much number of, right now it is showing insufficient balance of render token that you can buy. You click on swap, and that's it. It'll go to MetaMask and you confirm it. The fees will be 0.02 Matic or something, several cents, and that's it. You will be having within your account the respective Matics. Now, as you can see, within my assets, I already have this render token, as well as I have this particular decentralized ICE token. So similarly, you will also be watching it. Now let's say you want to have some other coins as well. This one is like Revolve Games RPG, one of the coin that I have purchased. Which chain it is on? The Binance Smart Chain. For the Binance Smart Chain, you'll have to go to Pancake Swap. This one is quickswap.exchange. For that, you'll have to go to Pancake Swap. And for the Ethereum with the Uniswap, probably you will not need Ethereum. I would not suggest it for you guys to use Ethereum as of now. So these are the 3 exact steps that I told you guys, that this guy, how he converted into that. You need to choose this token, and most likely recommended is the Metaverse Gaming token with the low market capitalization, because those are the ones that can actually eventually give you 1000x, because the big event is coming in the future when the Metaverse launches. Gaming is hot these days, and then eventually as the time passes, the time is the best ripening, or something that ripens those coins to such a big and a huge value. In the short term, yes, you can get 100 to 200% gains, but if you wait long enough, you get these mega gains or life-changing wealth, and then you multiply that further. So this is the strategy, guys, all of you guys need to do, apart from the main strategy for the buying and then selling before the crash and everything else. But at the same time, if you do that in the right way, I mean, let me tell you guys, I mean, this has worked for other people, and I'm pretty sure this is going to work for everyone else. So again, guys, I hope that you found the video helpful and useful. Thanks a lot for tuning into the video. Please do ensure you hit the subscribe button. This channel is everything about how do we grow your finances, and the goal of this channel is to give you the financial freedom. And please ensure again you subscribe, because these days we are covering crypto a lot, because this is where the big buck is coming, this is where the big money is coming, and in the future we are going to cover everything related with the metaverse, because that's where the trillions of dollars are going to be coming, and then further different various opportunities of making money online and offline. That is what this channel will be dedicated to. Please ensure you subscribe it, and do comment down below for the best takeaway from this video, and questions that you might have, the future videos you would want to see, and do smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Thanks a lot, guys, for watching the video, and I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Bye bye.